In the previous two parts of the tutorial, I discussed the 6 alphabet sounds and pronunciations. Now let's have a detailed look at the 6 German alphabets Ypsilon till SZ with words in English and German languages. So if you look, the Ypsilon alphabet has, as I mentioned before, 2 sounds, an English Y sound and the typical German Ypsilon sound. The English sound of German Ypsilon alphabet can be heard in an English word beginning with Y, such as yoga, but not ending in Y, because in this word hobby, the Y tends to have an I-like sound, hobby. Now the English sound of German Ypsilon alphabet can be heard in a German word also beginning with Ypsilon, such as yoga, but then again not ending in Ypsilon, because in this word hobby, the Ypsilon has an I-like sound. Please note from these two examples, yoga and hobby, that these are English words used by the German language without a change in writing or even in their meaning. Moving on, the second Ypsilon sound of the German alphabet cannot be heard in any English word, but this sound comes inside German words containing this alphabet. For example, the word typisch, which means typical in English, and Pyramide, which is pyramid. Going further, the German Z sound cannot be heard in any English word, because all English words beginning with or containing the Z alphabet will have the heavier Z sound. However, all German words with Z will have the softer Z sound and not the Z sound. For example, zoo, which is the zoo, or Zahl, which is a number.